an bene atiken jo ma winyo kichwe chwiny ni office ma megwa ma konyo lwak council go bedo piny atura chegu cher go loro
uber kitwa uma daira ka wano noya kulu wa bela bo office
kira tuni kimo ikelu wa diera chen ni ya budukiani
Ana Jolin Lakwed TV kono an la dede ben kener matini wan wati kaperu makiluoni Koch Goma ko don kubere enini tie town council don iramo penyu wi ni ngo ke kome matika time kener matini wan wati kan I Koch Goma petian lo achele ken piani tini wan wano report cha Lakwed TV ni town council me Koch Goma tie makiloro petian loke enemy wan tini wabini ye kuna no wamietu waniang matut ulor petian loka ngo mauno time madong kero loni kidong kiramu timu gena ngo mekela laka ye man ena gin mukelo wan Lakwed TV tini Koch Goma town council
lok mo mangat mo wajo manie pere e kiana ke wajo jago pe mero mi accountability o ya lor fi ti dong wa pen gini pe ngo po lor office pa jago ke kan pian office kama mu lo ni community development officer beti kenyo agricultural officer mo mi or bet ka lemo lu fu beti kenyo accountant ma controlling lim beti kenyo department pat mu to lo la wa chi le fuok tien do to lor the whole government ma dong tij mo dong do ko pere pe cha bera chel mo karangechi wan dong wa cha ko ber concern cha ke ni ning dano tika miato kony dano tima rata ken gang kwo tekata dano mero nongo ngej kai wor ken pe chara no tuo mako kumbete gwana tika topoko tuo maka nyoga tika tuo e por jomo miero chat kamino kony eno ni extension worker magitie sub county mamegwa ato ka i chara wa office dong put kiloro
kombeti lugor tima duong magitika pongo fom gi miet ku chat ku gam stamwe office kiloro wi office cho ka dong lor office kitime ni ning ki beber ni ning ka twer ke ki noni luti jene pur bal duo ikumgi ki chet ki kel jo mo lu ko gi kongu le office betwolo gen kongu bet pere ni kongu office betwolo pe ner money pe ngo ka lor office romo ki lor der wan wa ko ki chienne magi dana man ku mere chienne watika lingo ti office makilor cha bera chiel kulo
ikir mo winya kere ayeni council go beru pin chigo mogo lumugo ni office pa town clerk umir kilo wara
le bon bieno kon ka dwak report boro wan ma chalo lwa ni jeme ma chwer chwinywa ti en umir ke tiye walogo don kwe ni ke ti pe ke miao tiye report mo makidwogo boro wan ma chalo lwa uberu pare
dong majalo won kom modor ka chakaman rwata titwale mirwa win ki bot speaker tien lo ngo gen go tiu ki twera ngo meloro office man
ti aberi ki kero miluongo emergency council meeting ini dario gi kome midwe ini a winyu lok ukati ni mano emergency full council meeting wanyu beru illegally. But I wanted to disagree with Lock Anony. PN Wangay Local Government Act, Chapter 243, NYA Newa Dakdorwa, Ikirmumiara, Wayukere Kachakawa, Kirumir Kachako Tunkere. Doing in the Rio Mano, one way you pick your Machiak Yekere, Wangayo composition of the council, and all the members of the council, Umiarago Betie. Wangeni speaker umir betie wangeni clerk to council umir betie wangeni sergeant at arm umir betie kadong jo meno pere ten lokani full council meeting fut petime chini ndario eni atika ye da waye kamaloni compositions wen oberutie jema mamiete wen kienma rule of procedures of the local government council wachi wakere wen oberutie and we abide by all those local government act and the rule of procedures of the local government council. Invitations were mio in the jail midway any the following day ka chako beri kera mi invitation gi other paper items o beri ngay. Now mau oi report pa executive check ye gi executive area gi introducing recommendation ma make before council. So one compa executive o introducing recommendation ma make enyim council chi an machal speaker check bene wajini kache petitions gitika temi kom ngaro mo council. You have to give time to him or her me defending. Cha mi okara gi town clerk ma mekwa and beno malo defending recommendation mo agi council. Ko pa executive magu ko. Wa mi kare eno our defending. So members of the councillors kubere kamiyo tamgi chigu no ni meno tim pa town clerk no do kara lejo dong. O kara kama dong no kijati me ye. Chichawa madak chiek gere wajini and Camero responding to the council PNA personally, but work through one come is the chairperson of the local government. So and wajo ka one come pa meeting and amalo chama one come pa meeting and amal dago logo kon mumiro lok mabe ikum lagama honorable members go berika lok eno gamo in a arrogant way mapo yomo twin council. So councillors go moko dong ni meno and dong piti riri mitich the council any pian wangeni town clerk is not the overseer make in a wing until a teach pa council but kin ma endo berika teach kere ma winyo members of the council go berika lok and don't take a teach chala don't teach jami wing you know kadongi luini me report nyim council weko that is part of corruption mumira watch kameleng giluini bin that is a negligence of duty. So anyway we know article 68 yene ge wan bana no mirawa removing and out of the reasonable reasons money ma eno timo eno ni go resolving ne gin gi mira transfer. We don't have authority me kopungar money but go recommending ni ko have to transfer town clerk pingo marach matika timne pensi is not willing. So chama don't get resolving speakers machalo an ingeyo kadong motion magi moving discussion otum and I have to rule according to the rule of procedure, not my personal interest. That was the end of the full council meeting adjourning at Sinadai. So we resolve even ni kin madong teacher dong peni umir gilo di gola. Now pera dong tieni umir no walo and the gola pattern clerk come. But kin magi yuba kere atwa entrance tia chiel madit kadong partition tigi iye. So partition me iye ne promo lore cho no ngi low end ka entrance maditi. Che fudong wa lore we chawani
wati kumbere ka ko la bon government mai chan ka pero mo time pa nge nga ma buchung ka lok mo tie ma mete ma rok cha mo a ki malo pa wa nge ka mo mier wa campion offices wen me ko Goma council tia lora
kumbere chawani ma logo ni we have no service delivery to the members of
kumbere eni no chamo kene la kirngang la wara mo gwakra mo penye nani chiek kono wajani nga ka chenen la tich pa meri chalo town clerk pe luo pa council chiek pol kar wajani nga ye
donc in ma chalo la tich pa meri magi chwele ni ti pe council ini dek lo putam pa council dong gi moko chiek do kien ma chiek bana ye no mier go mokke kera be don wan wati ma moko ni dong gi kop kam kan gi kele wangat ma pat.
Okay, kero pa council kono gika kwene kachalo lok metiho lok ma do kitma enini.
Afo etwal kero pa council dit loyo kero pa jego kero pa council dit loyo kero pa speaker personally dit loyo kero pa won komadek. Donc kage wajini council od moko chiek, meaning that even all the property ma taken within enini, those are council property.
Is it possible to conduct an executive meeting without the secretary, and does that recommendation be valid?
Kid madong anatam kere, ere dong ne kawakaran dong pitego. What can we do? Kumbere even if they come and say that we want report of your executive meeting muberi any. Report cannot be given in a written form because she's the only one to write. Ere ye choyo kado kwar bino. Even now my logani clerk to council is a next of kin to turn clerk. Mabere tika wajogi clerk to council ni pucho minutes ma wano bereni. Then how can we solve these issues? Tijmagi maka widana maka gi mi tam ni pay team. Jemene bana pe team. And by chika ngay na executive meeting, pe ramo team la bon la choy ma megi ma chalo town clerk.
Did you put it in writing to her before passing the resolution?
During council meeting, I'm the presiding officer. There is no need of writing to her that the council has resolved me in the couple. When we resolve, we have the implementers. When in all the resolution of the council, even the parliament, implementers are there. So when we resolve, we put in writing by clerk to council. Kadong implementers, makumbeti in this case, and mostly go. And do miradong or implementing resolution ma mekba.
Kerika beti walo oki wan kom ma dek me town council man lok ma mege pepoke ke gien ma speaker ma dor atman no do wajo.
Eno ne put wang ma chele. Ni chaka ma wan wachak don ko Goma kan. En man me fungo office pagamera ne puru ber wang ma chele. Manaka yang. O me watiki uni time ko meno pengo. Pengo yam chon pe dak chaka tien. Yes, wangeni tele to beru teken gamente ke lu chui bibie. Ento yo me chopone tie. Ana tiki gani ka no balmo balle ma lu chui bibie ne balmo balle gen yo mo mier gen go lop. La dit ma lo jago ke sub county ngat ma lo yo ko ene ko me district. Gen no ge kwanyo kare ge oro district council ma megi tero duan ge kape kaka ki doctor grom katone choj ko ma ene la tian tij ma mege kar ki gen ma tima ramo bieno kar ki pen ki winyo lok man ma tin ento pe ki lor up e Acholi ka lor or ne ma yapo miere kwan diel ke tom man ket ma Acholi ka wano nge kere
Pamer yabo opisi ni. Sira Acholi kimo. Ikelu adiera chen. Ni yabu dukiani. Kabe ngo pidu chake. Labo eno. Jamado le kwa mi wewe belu ko.
Don kilwa gi lok mu lok enini town clerk kono wajo ni ngo.
There is nothing other than capacity gap. Because I am supposed to, like what brought the whole issue. I am the one supposed to invite you for executive committee meeting. Then you sit and write to me that you're inviting me. And tomorrow, the law says if you're calling someone for a meeting, give 7 days notice. If you do not have time, but the required time is 14 days. Then you write that you want to see me tomorrow. You know I'm a busy person. And if I don't show up, now you want to close my office. You're calling for a meeting. You really see that there is some pressure. Because of personal interest, you want something you cannot get, so you now have to cause commotion here and there. You know, by law, you have no powers to do that. Or else the person takes you to court and it becomes a problem to government. And government has been losing a lot in terms of court issues where government always loses because of such political pressure. You're pushed to make a mistake and then you go to court, the person wins, and you know, someone makes a lot of money on you. Even that day I explained to them, I said, do you agree that it is my mandate to advise council? That yes. So I'm advising you that what you're doing is wrong, A, B, C, D. That no. I said, okay. Was not there. There was no committee that had to pick a order paper. When they were short yesterday, they were like, hey, they have to pay us. They asked them for which meeting. When did you call for the meeting? And who called for it? The law is very clear. If you invite people for a meeting, if it is not the accounting officer, whoever calls for that meeting has to pay. So if you were invited by the speaker, let him pay you.
Lutua, Dano tele ikit me dog tich. Chidong kake tele pol kare. Giango magitimo. Kimaro foot. Chika kimaro foot. No dujuweng kitika neno. Be peru kachel ki. Be patich kachel. Mano kiribu ching.
They've resolved. Yesterday they got up, all of them. They said, now let us all stand up and apologize to the town clerk. They stood up and held their hands. And they're apologizing. I should continue working with them peacefully. What? I said it's okay.
Man kono dong wero chwalo poj madit tutwal. But one come a beach. Kuno eo chungoni rit. Kariutal man. Baikeng dul nyotwa mario kuno wakelu borati wat matie ikin lukin gang kachel ke town council me Koch Goma. Anla didi ben dakwa ni amala chen kawanen wipe wili subscribing ichano mamegwa kachel ke ima tij mamegwa nyo kagile muono ke wachi like our video. Ana for in Juja Kamalo.